Hi, it's Malcolm and welcome to my July market update. Well, the sun is out, the summer is definitely here, but is this really our Christmas update? Why? Well, because the average chain at the moment from you putting your property on the market and moving in, so getting all the transaction done, that's selling your house, getting the mortgage and legal process of your onward purchase, is taking 153 days. So if you put your house on the market today, going off the average, if things don't get any better, you'll actually be lucky to be in by Christmas. So we've got delays all the way through the process, from the solicitors and from the lenders. Not quite sure why some of these delays are taking place, still they are, so don't expect a quick completion if you're looking to move house in the next month or two and you haven't yet taken any action. So as you will have noticed, the Bank of England are continuing to put interest rates up to try and put a curb on inflation. Not doing a great job of it at the moment because we're expecting inflation to be going even higher on the next announcement. And therefore people's mortgages are getting more expensive. So if you're coming off a fixed rate deal that maybe you took out 2 years ago, sub 2%, you're definitely not going to be offered a deal anywhere near as good as that if you're due for renewal this year. So what does this mean for first time buyers? Should you not try and get on the property ladder? Well, there's risk both ways. Yes, the mortgages are going to be more expensive than they were had you done this a year or two ago, but equally rents are going up and everything is going up as well. So there's definitely a risk both ways. So we still have a big supply problem in terms of properties available on the market, and it's not really going to get any better over the next month or two. Because traditionally people don't list during the summer because they're thinking about doing other things, school holidays and also overseas holidays and things like that as well. We're also seeing the demand start to drop off just that little bit, and that's due to the nervousness around inflation and cost of living. Now the good news is, if you're perhaps a first time buyer or home mover that's been looking for a property for a few months, whilst you're not going to see a whole host of new properties come on Rightmove, unfortunately, I think you might be in less competition than you might have been 6 months or a year ago, and perhaps you're not going to have to pay way over the asking price like people were doing at the start of 2022. And finally, just a bit of UK Moneyman news. We've now moved into lifetime mortgages and equity release. So this is for the over 55s looking to release capital from the value of their homes. Typical reasons why people do this are for home improvements, maybe they've got an interest-only mortgage that's coming to its end, for a better lifestyle in retirement, to do those holidays and cruises that might have always dreamed of doing, but also sometimes to raise money to gift to their children or grandchildren for them to get onto the property ladder.